just put some water in it. So that's just going to slow it down.
There you are, the Atlas. Fully stripped, clean, refurbished, polished, new layout, new base. Only a couple of little leaks to start with, and running beautifully with the help of Mark. Lovely engine. That pressure's going up, isn't it?
Yeah, it's fine.
About 35
yeah,
now.
It's fine. It'll blow up at 40. That's looking good.
Just get me facing.
That's a thing of beauty. Yeah, just a little leak just on the piston pump
that
side.
That was the ball inside there, not.
I think that's been very lightly run in a previous life.
Give it a run.
Oh, Dave plays K-Electric cars.
Sorry?
Say, Dave plays K-Electric.
There you go. Oh well, you got your... Dropped to a bit there, rushing it. Got a nice little chuff to it as well.
Beautiful. That's the sign of a really nicely balanced plant. Just a little bit of a wheeze coming from the safety. Nice steady stream of steam coming out of the condensate.
It's sitting there on its at one level.
Beautiful.
It's used half an inch.
Yeah. Well, I put about 3 pumps in, but I mean, you could go well below the site class on that because there's plenty of water in there still.
No leak at the top of the cylinder, now it's warm.
No.
That was water collected in the top of the cylinder.
Yeah, it was.
And it had blown it past the
yeah, I think it was.
seal.
I think you're still recording.
Oh well. End of recording. Date, what is it now? June the 12th, 14th?
13th.
13th, it's Tuesday. Tuesday, June 13th, I think. So, and it's about 8:30 in the evening, I think.
No, it's 7:05.
7:05. And I'm not pissed.